Hey guys, we are back showing you another new kit that we're doing at Piatto. This time, it's a lasagna kit. It's super easy, and if I can do it, anybody can. So when you pop this open, it's got everything that you need, including, which I didn't know until I opened it, the pan to make it in. So it's really making it easy for everything, one-stop shopping for sure. And now you can also get alcohol with your takeout order. So what we're gonna do now is just take everything out. All prepared nicely, including, a little bit messy now, but instructions. And it also tells you what's included and what you need from home. So what you need from home right now is just a large baking sheet, which I have right here. And that's just to place your lasagna on so that if it bubbles over, it doesn't make a mess in your stove or oven, and oven mitts. So what you wanna do, take the bottom of your lasagna and first says, oh, you need to preheat your oven to 400. So I've got that, it's up to 400 now, so that's perfect. I just want to get all these opened up so that when I need them, I can just use them. This first one is my Ragu sauce. Then I have my grana padano, lemon zest ricotta in here. You can actually see the little bits of lemon in there. San Marzano tomato sauce, which is the same sauce we use on our pizzas. There we go. Smoked mozzarella. So what I'm going to do for this one is just pull a little hole right here so I can get my fingers in there. And then these are your beautiful lasagna sheets. So we're going to get going. Okay, first thing we're going to do is put all of your San Marzano tomato sauce in the bottom. And the reason that we're doing that, we don't want the lasagna noodles to stick. So I'm just going to dump it all in there. So we're just going to spread that around with the back of your spoon, just like you would for your pizza sauce. I want to make sure that it's nice and even. Next thing is a pasta layer. We're just going to take one out, and look at that. Didn't even stick at all. It's perfect and cut perfectly. There we go. Don't push it down too much because then you're just going to squish all that tomato sauce out. So we want to just nice and light foot so that it stays. And then we're going to go for our lemon zest ricotta. So if you look at this, you can actually see the nice chunks of lemon in there. So that's going to add great flavor to it, and it's a nice creamy layer. Now I'm just going to put my finger on the lasagna noodle so that when I spread it, it's not moving around too much. And if you like a little bit more cheese in it, you can add some from your fridge if you want. Obviously it won't be a Piatto lasagna anymore, but if you're a cheesy person, then go for it. That's good. So I just checked my instructions. So I've got my lemon zest ricotta. Next is Tuscan Ragu. So I'm just gonna use my same spoon that I used for my sauce, and I'm gonna put that on, how much does it say? 50% of the Ragu. So I'm just gonna take it in chunks like that, just add it in there so I can kind of tell that it's 50. And then again, I'm just gonna try and push this down and push it to the sides as I do it, because you don't want any little edges with no Ragu, but also I don't want that to move around too much in there. So we got that in there. Next is grana padano. So it says a fourth of it. I'm just going to shake it like this, and if too much goes in, too much goes in. Not the end of the world. Next, we're going to repeat. So number two says add San Marzano tomato sauce. Number 7 says repeat 2, 3, 4, and 5. But number 2 didn't say to hold any back. So we're gonna just pick up at number 3 and maybe revise these by the time you guys get them. So nice, look how thin that is. Like, that is a nice sheet of lasagna noodle. Lay that in the middle again. Next was the lemon zest ricotta. So this is the other half now. And my brother John, who's filming this for us, just asked if the lasagna noodles were made in-house at Piatto, and they absolutely are. So everything is super, super fresh, which is awesome. So we've got that in there now. And then we're gonna go with another half of our Ragu. Make sure you get every last drop in there. And again, I'm just gonna try and press that one down without disrupting the other layers too much. This one is so much easier than the other stuff that we've been doing because we've been making dough and pizzas and gnocchi, and your fingers always get super dirty. This, nothing on my fingers. So after our Ragu, we go back to grana padano. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this guy. Ooh, okay. And then we are going to take our last layer of our homemade pasta, pop that right on top there, and then we're gonna sprinkle our smoked mozzarella on top. So this is the layer that's going to melt on and give you that gorgeous top of the lasagna. Okay, so we're just gonna sprinkle that out, a little bit on the sides there. What you wanna do is cover that pasta sheet, because if you don't have the cheese on it, it's gonna get a little bit too crunchy, and you want it to remain nice and soft and moist. So you just wanna protect it almost. That's the way you wanna think about it. So we got that on there, a little bit more grana padano. Okay, so it's all ready to go. Clean cookie sheet. You could line it with parchment or tinfoil if you wanted to, just less mess. So oven is preheated at 400, so we're gonna pop it in and let the oven do the work now. So I'm gonna tidy up, and I'm one of those people that needs to set a timer. So I'm gonna set mine for about 20 minutes just to check it, because all ovens are a little bit different and you don't wanna burn it. So I'm gonna set mine for 20, check it, and then see if I need to do the last 5. Okay, so my timer just went off, so we're gonna take out the lasagna, and it smells amazing in here, and it looks incredible too. So we've got nice brown bits all along the edges, some in the middle too. We just took that out of the oven, and we wanna let it set for about 5 minutes. You could just see the little bubbles coming out of it, so it means everything in there is moving around, and it's really ooey gooey right now, and you just wanna let it set so that when you cut into it, it doesn't flatten out. So give it about 5 minutes and then enjoy. This lasagna kit, as well as some of our other kits like our beet salad, Caesar salad, and some of our pizzas are all available at Piatto right now. Enjoy!